today's fast-paced automotive industry, precision and efficiency are everything. Introducing the X-939 Intelligent Driving Calibration System, the all-in-one solution that combines four-wheel alignment with advanced ADAS calibration. Equipped with 4 high-resolution cameras and 4 precision motors, the X-939 delivers automated alignment and calibration with unmatched accuracy. Automatic ADAS centering and paralleling, real-time target finding and tracking. Dual screen operation with synchronized streaming, process-based guidance for technicians of any skill level. With the X-939, setup is simple. Just push the frame into position and the system automatically centers, parallels, and raises the target to the correct calibration height. Featuring high-precision stepper motors and advanced beam sensors, the X-939 ensures exact pitch, roll, and angle measurements. The system also compensates for ground-level differences, guaranteeing reliable calibration in any workshop environment. Beyond ADAS, the X-39 is a full-scale four-wheel alignment system supporting quick and standard measurements, covering over 50,000 vehicle models worldwide. From toe and camber to wheelbase, thrust angle, and axle offset, it's all measured with precision. Thanks to wireless connectivity, alignment, and calibration data are instantly shared to the Throttle 5. Detailed test reports allow easy comparison of pre- and post-calibration results and can be shared directly with customers. The X-939 Intelligent Driving Calibration System, combining automation, accuracy, and ease of use for the future of intelligent vehicle service.